Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy pudding. First, gather your essential ingredients like milk, sugar, and cornstarch. Make sure you also have your cooking tools ready, such as a saucepan and a whisk. For the best results, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin. This helps everything combine smoothly and cook evenly, setting you up for delicious success. Now let's get cooking. Start by whisking your dry ingredients together in the saucepan. Then, gradually add the milk, stirring constantly to prevent any lumps from forming. This continuous stirring is key for a smooth texture. Cook the mixture over medium heat, continuing to stir until it thickens significantly. You'll notice it coating the back of your spoon when it's just right, usually after about 5 to 7 minutes. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful and enjoying these tips, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your delicious homemade pudding or any other treats. You can find the product link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your pudding has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. This is the perfect time to stir in your favorite flavorings, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a tablespoon of cocoa powder for chocolate pudding. Next, pour the hot pudding into individual serving dishes or a large bowl. Finally, chill the pudding for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator until it is completely set and perfectly cool. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.